I think at the end of the day, it really has to do with the ability to collect data. The way I would describe it is as follows. I think the last 10 years I call the era of technology and measurement, meaning, because of literally technologies that have happened, we now have the ability to measure people's behavior, especially online. And that's the interactive part, meaning the firm can interact with you. It's not a one-way message anymore for marketing. It's not let's just push a message out there. It's let's do something, let's measure what the consumer's doing, let's react to what the consumer's doing. And of course, there's all kinds of stuff on user-generated content now where the consumer can actually literally talk back to the firm. But interactive media is the best way to collect data today. So I think the last 10 years were the era of technology and measurement. I think the next 10 years, which is why I'm excited about the Interactive Media Initiative, is going to be the era of analysis and inference, or what I call turning technology into monetization. I think right now a lot of firms know exactly how to collect data. They've built big data warehouses, they've built scraping technologies, they know how to collect what consumers are doing, but they don't know how to monetize it. And so as my colleague Pete Fader and I travel around the country and talk to the Googles of the world, the Yahoos of the world, the Facebooks of the world, they have lots and lots of data and they're still grappling with the monetization strategy for it. And that's kind of what mathematical models allow you to do. They allow you to say, well, have you ever thought about optimally serving ads in this way? Or have you ever thought about the fact that ads wear out? Or have you ever thought about the fact that the context matters? And so that's kind of what academics spend all of their time thinking about. And I think what I try to do in my career is bring academic thought into practice. And so, one of our goals with WIMI is to be not only an academic thought leader, but to be that academic interface. And so when a company says, look, we can go to a big consulting firm, we can go to McKinsey or Bain or anything else, that's fine, they can provide us value. But if we want to know what academics think about it, instead of us as a company having to find these academics, let's go to WIMI. WIMI has a network of scholars, and they'll know the right people for us to go to. And that's exactly what our hopes are. So interactive, it's the way data is collected today. Now, that's not to say we don't care about offline purchasing. We care a lot about offline purchasing, but the biggest challenge today is tying online behavior to offline behavior.